Yeah, you're spitting out your toothpaste. Brushing his teeth. Like a big boy. Can you style your hair? Style your hair. Good job. Just like Daddy. Brush your teeth. Brush it good.
Put it in your hand.
Spit out. Spit out. Go. Spit in the sink. Spit in the sink.
Oh.
Spit in the sink. Oh. Gonna style your hair. Style your hair.
Wait, no, you got down here.
Watch Daddy. Look at Daddy's gonna style his hair. Style your hair, buddy. Style your hair.
Daddy, a rock caterpillar.
Wow.
Ooh, say hi, Nikolai.
Hi. Rock caterpillar. Oh yeah, and this is a big sharp rock. These are 3 big sharp rocks together.
It looks just like onyx.
Yeah, but different.
Did you just turn that on by yourself?
I thought about onyx, and then I
Oh, it's gonna get hot.
what he had on to make him, and then I copied him a little bit.
Oh. It's gonna get hot, buddy. Put you on the hot water. Oh, I'm getting up over his fur. Alright. Style here one more time. I know, it's gonna be hot. Alright, say all done. Okay, we're all done. Say all done. Nobody. Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.